Hi there, Anne Marie here of That Girl Organizes. Well, today I want to talk about a couple other things that our Netflix star is telling us that we should do, shouldn't do. So she suggests that we fold most of our clothes so we can see the fronts of it. So I have a big question. What is wrong with being able to see all your clothes, where they are if they're not crowded, and having pants hanging? I'm not sure I get it. I can find everything I need in probably 5 seconds, 15 seconds at the most. If you don't have tons and tons of clothing and you have just what you need, love, and use, why is it such a problem to hang them? They don't get as wrinkled. They are really easy to see. I guess I just don't get it. Maybe it's because I don't have loads and loads. Here, let me show you how far back this goes. Just goes to here. I have all seasons here. Here's my summer wear, and that is my winter. So, I don't know. My logo clothes take up, I think, more room than anything. I go all the way back there. So, I don't know. I guess I just don't understand. What is the big deal with hanging our clothes? We don't need drawers. We don't need dressers. I think you need a drawer or a basket for your underwear. And no, I don't recommend folding them. That is a waste of time. Underwear is under your clothes. It's not going to get, if it's wrinkled, who cares? Nobody's going to see it. It's not for public viewing. So why are we folding our underwear? I don't understand. And second, she suggests getting up super early and organizing. Well, what happens if I have two babies who are up super early, up in the dark at the crack of dawn or before? Should I get up at 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning to organize? That just doesn't make any sense. What if you're like my daughter, who is a night owl? She loves to reorganize things and straighten up things in the evening. About 9, 10 o'clock is her jam. So why would I make her get up super duper early to organize? I don't get it. I mean, everyone has different ways that they need to do things according to their body, themselves, their schedule. So putting such parameters on things just doesn't make sense to me. I just don't think it's right. You have to do you. You have to do what works for you. If you don't know what works for you, let's chat and figure out, thank you for the like, and figure out what does work for you, because early in the morning may work for some, works for me. Would it work for a couple of my kids? Not in a million years. Would it work? I know my sister-in-law, she loves to stay up late. I can't function like that, but she does. So, hey Keith, why would we do that to ourselves? There's no one right way to do something, but there are better ways, and we can always, always improve, and that's what I'm here to help you do. I help the whole person get organized and stay organized according to learning style, because that works, and that's another thing our Netflix star does not do at all. Because I want you to succeed, and I want you to enjoy your life and make life simple. Have everything you need, where you need it, when you need it, right at your fingertips. Doesn't that make sense? I'm Anne Marie Gunther of That Girl Organizes. Don't forget, get organized, stay organized. Have a good one.